Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this session, I will discuss about introduction to digital TV broadcasting. It means the complete digital TV broadcasting system. Like the digital TV broadcasting involves the various means it transmitting the television signals using digital rather than analog methods. Means in that digital TV broadcasting it involves means transmission of television signal in the using the transmission of television signal using digital rather than analog means they and also it allows for higher quality audio and video as well additional services like interactive contents and also it will do the it allows only for high quality audio and videos they will do and also the modulation techniques plays a crucial role in how digital signals are transmitted and received and also in this system they in this DVD in this system they plays a crucial role means it's digital signals the signals are converted in and these signals are transmitted and received as usual and you see how in this slide you see how the complete digital TV broadcasting system how it works and also how their connections and also the next the importance of modulation techniques in this what is the modulation this modulation means the modulation techniques are vital for effectively transmitting digital data over various medias means in that the data over various medias transmitting and also they help optimizing bandwidth and improving signals robustness against noise and interfaces. You see how the message signal giving has an input and the coming out of the modulating signal. It- and also the message signal and also the carrier signal and we see the choice of modulation affects the overall performance quality and reliability of digital TV broadcasts and QAM means quadrature amplitude modulation is an combines the combines both amplitude and phase modulation to encode data which increases data through output and it is widely used in broadcast due to its efficient use of bandwidth and ability to carry multiple signals ability to carry and multiple signals means it means in that the efficient use of bandwidth and also the ability to carry multiple signals in that and higher order of QM can deliver more data but it's more susceptible to noise and interfaces and offerdam means the orthogonal expanded as the orthogonal frequency division multiplexing in that offerdam splits means a single data stream in the offerdam as we know that this transmitting the single data stream into the multiple smaller subsignals transmitted and simultaneously as different in that has different frequencies. This technique is highly resilient to multi-path interface, making it ideal for urban broadcasting environments. And AFDAM is commonly used in standards such as DVD and terrestrials. We see in that the FDM has individual channels like and also the FDM channel 0 and in that in the below has overlapping subcarriers. COFDAM is an enhanced version of OFDM and that incorporates error correction coding to improve signal reliability. This technique especially useful in environments with high levels of interfaces or signal degradation. And FDM plays a significant role in digital terrestrial televisions and is a key to DVB2 standards. Miss Task 1 has channel coding and Group 1 3 has get familiar with channel coding and convolution coding and Vector-B decoder and bit interleveler. Is an task to of OFDM as a get acquainted with a concept of OFDM modulation and demodulation and cyclic and prefix the various channels estimated and also D level vestigial sideband modulation is a technique especially developed for transmission of digital television in the US 10 codes data using 8 different amplitude levels, which allows for efficient use of available bandwidth. This and means it encodes data using 8 different amplitude levels, and also this method less robust than OFDM as but remains effective in specific transmission environments. And the bandwidth, we see how the bandwidth FC carrier frequency and the vestigial sideband, and also minus a carrier and the message signal. And the comparison of modulation techniques are different modulation techniques offer unique advantages, means it's different advantages like disadvantages based on transmission conditions. And the QAM is an ideal for QAM for high capacity cable transmissions, and while OFDM excels in wireless and terrestrial systems. And the choice of modulation often engages on the application specific requirements, including coverage area and user dividend. This some of the challenges in digital TV broadcasting. The signal degradation and interface multipath propagation can significantly impact the quality of digital broadcast. We see how the signal versus time seconds, in that signal degradation multipass will happen in there. And also each modulation technique has own vulnerabilities and strengths in combating these challenges, means in that the single multiple paths in this single path having their own strengths and vulnerabilities challenges in occur in the plot. And also the in that have future advancement in modulation techniques are essential for improving their robustness and efficiency of the digital TV broadcasters. And the future trends in modulation techniques as the emerging technology nowadays, the improving the 4G to the 5G converting because of the advancement of the artificial intelligence influencing the nowadays the improving the AI. That's why the evaluation of modulation techniques in broadcasting media. New modulation schemes are being researched to enhance data rates, improve spectral efficiency. The integration of these advancements will likely lead to more resilient and versatile broadcasting systems. And the conclusion, the modulation techniques are a cornerstone of digital TV broadcast and directly affecting quality and performances. It means the modulation in that the is affecting the quality and performances. And also in that the understanding these techniques is vital for optimizing broadcasting standards and improving viewer experiences. A continued research and development modulation will shape the future of digital television. The digital modulation techniques, some of the techniques have baseband regional message signal, MFT and analog carrier signal, and also the ASK amplitude shift keying, and also FSK frequency shift keying, and PSK phase shift keying. In that have five types of digital modulation techniques, like it varies. And how the baseband message signals have square by square signal, and also the carrier signals are they always have sine signals, and it fluctuating in the ASK signal as in the shorter. And also FSK signal has wider much wider, and is compared to PSK fluctuating in the signal above or the below.